Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you guys the kit. So this is what the box looks like. And inside of the box, you are going to get some instructions and a filer, the brush with the spatula, and then you're going to get a base coat, top coat. And these are the Polygel colors. So it comes with 2, 4, 6 different colors. And then once you remove the filer and the brush, underneath comes the sculpting stickers and the dual forms right in here. And we won't be using these. We will only be using these, and of course the tips. And these tips I ordered on Amazon, along with some foil and some other little stickers and brushes. I won't be using the foil this time, but I will be using, it's like a thin little tape, and it is silver. As you can see, I added a little bit of that silver tape onto my nail. It looks really cute, really simple. Okay, so then I have some Chanel hand cream and then alcohol. So you will need like a little container to pour the alcohol so you can wet your brush. And then I have, this is optional because I have it, I'm just gonna use it, but it's like the bonding aid. And then some tools here, a filer. This is kind of like a little buffer. Also, you will need a UV light. I purchased this at the same time I purchased my kit because I knew that I would need that. So let's get started. So the kit comes with this brush and spatula, but I will be using the OPI 3000 oval brush, and it looks like this. It is a little bit longer and a little bit bigger, but it does have the same density as the one in the kit. You want to make sure that it fits perfectly. You don't want it to be too small. Finding the perfect dual form is important because you don't want it to be too big or too small. If anything, a little bit bigger is fine, but not too small because then you're going to be left with a weird looking nail. But you also want to take a look at the side and make sure it has that nice curve. Otherwise, you will get a deformed nail, and that's no fun. With your filing block, just remove the shine off your nails very lightly and really prep that nail. So we're going to start off by adding some nail glue. And this is by the brand Kiss because I used the press-on nails not long ago before I had this kit. So I just add a little bit of glue here. And just place it on the tip. Hold it there, make sure it's nice and straight. So I've applied the tips to all the nails except the pinky. And now I'm going to cut them because these are way too long. And to cut them, you can use a big nail clipper like this, or I have this from when I used to do nails. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut them. I think this is a good length right here. Okay, so here are the nails all cut to the desired length. I want more of a coffin shaped nail, so I just like to take the corners off like that. Now I'm just filing my nails, and then I will take my filing block and just go over all of the nails. I go ahead and put this pH balance agent, and this one is by OPI, and I'm just going to place this on my real nail, just like that. And this is optional because it doesn't come with a kit. Unfortunately, my camera died as I was showing you guys the process on this nail, and so I waited and I did most of my nails except my pinky and my pointer finger, so I'm going to show you guys now. I'm just going to add the base coat, and I am just adding the base coat on my real nail. I found out by trial and error that you don't have to put any on the actual fake nail because the polygel will stick to it. And another thing that it doesn't say in the instruction book is to cure it, but I found out that curing it before applying the polygel is a lot better, and you guys will see why. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there is a little residue after your base coat is cured. You want to remove that because when you apply the polygel, it will slip and move around. It makes it really hard to work with. So just spray a paper towel with alcohol and wipe down your nail. So I'm taking the dark pink polygel, and before I used to use my spatula, but now I find that this is even easier. It's less wasteful if you do it this way. So I just apply it to half of the nail, and then I cut it off with the nail. Like so. This is what it looks like. I'm taking my little brush and first dipping it into the alcohol. Now I am just very lightly pressing down on the polygel and really spreading it out. So before actually sitting down and filming this video for you guys, I did practice a little bit with the polygel because every time I film a video, I always want to make sure that I provide good information for you guys and that the videos are beneficial to you guys. I also want to thank Maria for being a trooper and allowing me to practice on her nails. It was definitely a learning experience for me. And I recommend not going too close to the cuticle because then you will get some lifting. And really take your time because with polygel you have unlimited time versus with acrylic it hardens really quickly and you have to work really fast. Not with polygel. You have all the time in the world to perfect your nail. Okay, so my nail is now cured. Now I'm just wiping it with some alcohol because there will be a little residue, but here it is. Here is my nail. I think it looks pretty good. It's not too thick. I think it looks pretty good. So now let's show you guys how to use the dual form. So first, you're going to add a little bit of the polygel in here. The reason why I don't use a spatula is because it's very wasteful, but I just add like a little bit, like that much, like a little ball. And you want to take your brush and basically pack it in there, spread it out. and make it as thin as possible. And it has little lines, so what you could do is you can find a desired length and basically follow that for all of the nails. In this case, we're only doing one nail because I really want to show you guys how to use it. And you want to make it not too thick, not too thin. So that's what I mean by using the dual forms. Is a little harder, in my personal opinion, but I guess once you master it, it's very easy. Okay, so here it is. So now, before I apply this to my nail, I have to add my base coat. So I'm gonna add that, cure it, and then we'll slip this on. I've already wiped my nail after curing it for 30 seconds with the base coat. And I took that sticky residue off of the alcohol, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dual form with the Polygel, and I'm just going to place it on my fingernail like this.
Press very lightly.
I'm going to go ahead and go underneath it with my little brush and just smooth out this area, because last time I made the mistake to not look underneath here, and oh my god, it was so thick. It was so bad, to be quite honest with you guys. So make sure there's no polygel coming out from the corners here. And I was super careful to make sure that I put sufficient polygel, but not enough to where it's coming up from the sides. So I think this is good to go. So I think it's ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it for 30 to 60 seconds, and I'll be right back.
So it's cured now, and now I'm just going to take the plastic dual form off. And I just kind of add a little pressure and kind of move it around, and it will eventually just pop off. I just kind of pinch the tip.
There it is. It looks crazy. Now I have to file it and make it look like this one. Okay, so I filed all of my nails. I think they look pretty good. Okay, so for the design, I am just gonna take about this much of the silver tape. If you create a little loop, and then you kind of eyeball it, and then you pull on it like that. And I like to gather it back down here. And the reason I'm going over this is because I want the little design to be encapsulated. Just snip that excess, and then I'll file it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found this video useful. I love creating content that is beneficial to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this particular video. And also, if you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments down below or message me on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video.